poolside meetings, ladies. We're going today after our videos to have a poolside meeting. It's so beautiful out. It's like 26 degrees. It's so beautiful.
It's great. Now, later on, I'm going to take you outside and I'm going to show you what I did and show all of you ladies all the hard work I did this weekend. It was a lot.
I know it was. She did well. It's beautiful.
And I put new dirt in and mulched, and there was a lot of crappy stuff that had to be taken away. Anyway, it looks great.
But
it's
you
still a little
in your
sparse.
glory. You loved it.
Yeah, no,
I came by
love.
to see if she needed help, and she was in her glory.
No, I love it. It's still a little sparse, but it will. With this weather, you can almost watch things grow.
Yeah.
Like my hostas. La, la.
Yeah, they're getting up there.
Really?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay, let's talk clothing. So we're
Summer Stag Tunic.
Summer Stag.
Yeah, in the coral and the turquoise.
Well, it's the tank, Summer Stag tank.
Oh, sorry.
It's got no sleeves.
Yeah.
Feels great, eh? What an awesome fabric.
It
Bamboo
is.
viscose. It's beautiful.
Yeah. And what's nice too, ladies, is if you already own these pants, you can see how great this combo is. I love that throughout the season that we get new things in, and then you can, oh yeah, that would be great. Because it is a tricky pant to pair up, but I think it's fabulous with this.
Oh yeah.
And the white jeans are just great on you.
Yes, the little with the little slits. I love them.
Love.
Yeah, and you know what I thought? If they're too long for you, you can just cut them. Don't be afraid. Get the scissors out and cut them.
So
because they're frayed.
Yeah, I like your Band-Aid there. An inchworm. She's probably got one of the kids' Band-Aids
I only have kids Band-Aids in my house, so that's what I had to put on. I had a blister.
I love it.
And
beautiful.
look at,
I know.
Oh my God.
So
it
beautiful.
is so beautiful. Let me pull it out. I don't know which one this is.
This is the Tree of Life. This is a very popular one. It's such a beautiful message.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Hold that
and
so
show
beautiful.
how big it is. And then the borderline, beautiful
turquoise,
different turquoise, and yeah, to die for.
It's gorgeous.
Cericlio necklace for me. I love this one.
Yeah, it is beautiful. It is a nice statement. And I have the Brazil, the I'm not allowed to call her Om anymore. Lousje, mood. I'll call her mood. I call her my moeder. In Dutch, moeder is mother, and I call her mood. On my phone, it shows up mood. So mood, she calls it the gumballs. The gumballs. I love when she says that. It's so fun. Okay, let's go outside, and you can see her beautiful masterpiece.
All right, follow us. So this is my my work of art in the garden, in our flower beds. We have got these huge 2 flower beds in front of the store, and it's the north side, so it gets very little sun. So it's kind of dicey what to plant there. I wanted in the middle some center bushes or shrubs, and then I can plant around every year for annuals. So I got these cute little balls that are round fir trees. They will get bigger and everything will grow in beautifully. So yeah, this is the front, and then on the side I have another flower bed that is full sun all day. So different planting. I planted geraniums and petunias, which are great. They can take a lot of sun. They don't need a lot of water. This is my experience in gardening. So I had a lot of fun planting, and yeah, if you drive by or if you come to pick up something, have a look and let us know what you think. Ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.